In this video, we'll unbox and set up the Insta360 X4, a compact and powerful 360-degree camera built for creators and professionals. Known for its dual-lens design and advanced features, this camera is ideal for capturing immersive, high-resolution content. Opening the hard box, the first thing we see is the Insta360 X4 itself. Its design is sleek and modern, with a lightweight yet durable feel. Beneath the camera, we find additional boxes that hold the accessories. These include a soft camera case, instruction manuals, standard lens guards for protecting the lenses, some stickers. Inside the soft camera case is a USB Type-C charging cable. There's a plastic anti-heat cover designed to make holding the camera more comfortable during extended use. Beneath that, we find additional papers and a cleaning cloth to keep the lenses in optimal condition. The soft case itself features convenient pockets inside, specifically designed to store the lens guards securely. Let's take a closer look at the Insta360 X4. The camera features a dual-lens system for capturing full 360-degree footage with remarkable clarity. Its intuitive button layout and robust build make it clear that this device is designed for both portability and performance. The next step is installing the standard lens guards. These snap into place easily, providing excellent protection without obstructing the lenses. Now, I'm inserting a 512GB Samsung Pro Ultimate SD card. Using a fast, high-grade card like this is crucial for 360-degree video recording. Slower cards can result in dropped frames, buffering issues, or even recording errors. Once the battery is installed, I plug the camera in to charge. Charging is straightforward and efficient using the provided cable. After it's fully powered, I turn on the camera and follow the on-screen setup wizard. The interface is clear and intuitive, walking me through pairing the camera with the Insta360 app via Wi-Fi. A firmware update is detected and installed automatically, ensuring the camera is updated with the latest features and performance optimizations. Beyond the included items, there are a few basic extra accessories that can greatly enhance the camera's versatility. The bullet-timed selfie stick is ideal for creating dynamic spinning shots, while the tripod handle provides stable support for stationary shooting. A rubber lens guard offers added protection for the lenses during travel, and a rubber stand ensures the camera stays securely upright on flat surfaces. The Insta360 X4 also supports a wide range of video and photo settings, making it adaptable for various use cases. At its highest setting, it can record stunning 8K videos at 30 frames per second, delivering exceptional clarity and detail for professional-grade content. The Insta360 X4 impresses with its thoughtful design, streamlined setup process, and high-quality accessory package. From unboxing to firmware installation, every step is straightforward and user-friendly. This camera is clearly built to deliver exceptional results for both amateurs and professionals.